recording on that. Alright, let's see what we get. I know a lot of people are in school, so we might not get a lot of people in the lives today. I know Autumn texted me the other day saying he got his phone taken or something. Not if we're lucky. I can't say I've had an absolute best round, but I definitely have a good skill. In my first fund, I'm just trying to evaluate myself out. Yeah, no, box, it happens. You're gonna deal with that stuff too, though. That's how you keep getting better. You got to go through blowing your accounts and getting close to getting to the payouts and blowing the accounts. Being able to request a payout and having to trade a couple more days and then blowing the account. That's just part of it, dude. Just keep doing yourself. Keep being yourself and doing what you're doing and keep learning. Just get better every time. We're about 600 for my payout. Yeah, it happens, dude. Yeah, no, dude. You know you've passed before. You could do it again. Just keep learning. When you get to these PA accounts, you're gonna start learning who you are as a trader, how to control your emotions, all that stuff. So just keep taking your time. Just because you blow an account, it doesn't identify who you are, what you are in trading. We all deal with that. We all are going to go through that. That's part of trading, and it's, again, at the end of the day, it's the people who don't want to quit and keep going and keep learning from the experience that they had with those PA accounts and what to do better the next time around. So markets ain't going nowhere. You got plenty of time, dude. Just keep doing your thing. Oh, yeah. You're on your own journey, homie. You'll get it done. You'll get it done. Can we not? What is this market open? I bet you people are going to enter off of this inverse fair value gap after this sweep to target the lows. Let me form that 5 minute fair value gap. Let's see if we get a reaction off of this. That'd be more of an aggressive entry. Yeah, I'm going to take it. Yeah. I'm not in a trade, guys. I'm just mapping it out. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Look at this shit. I want to take it, but... Wow! I just don't want to form an SMT off these lows, guys. Because we do have this 5-minute bullish fair value gap here. We do have this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. Watch this trade play out. NASDAQ is just already so low. We have that 5-minute bullish fair value gap that could save us on ES if this entry. I want to see if NASDAQ's going to come down. We're going to form that SMT and then continue higher. That's what I want to see happen. That's why I'm not going to take this yet. I'm going to keep it to the right to see if it'd play out. But I'm not taking it. Did Wix do that for it, bro? I was thinking that. Sweet order block came right into it. That's why we don't take the trade. I about to be stopped. Let's see if we want to dump. Yes, looks like it wants to continue higher. I just don't want to trade before news, guys. Did you take that short, Zach? Shit. All good. Here it goes. Now it's gonna watch. Now it's gonna dump, dude. Never broke structure to the upside. Oh my god. See if we inverse this 5 minute. I want to see if my theory's right here. Let's see if we form an S&T at these lows. ES respects this 5 minute fair value gap, and then we continue higher. Let's see if that happens. Cash took a trade. We got news in 10. Yeah, we got ISM Services PMI at 10. See, we inverse this 1 minute fair value gap on ES again. I just don't like how we're inversing. I still want to be bullish right now. Never broke structure to the downside. God damn. I could see ES dumping, dude. We keep reacting off of the 79% extension. If we close underneath this on on NASDAQ, dude, we're probably going to come out and take out these lows. But we reacted off of it twice. I'd like to see this candle close underneath it. But we keep reacting off of the 79% extension. At 37 seconds. Let's see if we close underneath the 79% extension this time. I want to see if we do. We got news in a couple minutes anyway, in 6 minutes, so I'm going to wait. All right, that's looking good. Zach, that's looking good for you. Ten seconds. All right, we're going to close below the 79% extension on NASDAQ. I believe we're going to come for those lows. Where's the 1 minute looking? I think we're waiting for news right now to drop. The way price is moving. Never broke structure to the upside in the 1 minute time frame. Let's see if we want to dump here. Let's see if we want to dump here. I just don't want to trade before news. 4.75 risk. I'm going to stay patient, guys. Alright, stop that break even though. You're good, Zach. Just take a deep breath and just let news drop and see where we go. Or price hasn't really done anything yet. It's just been chopping. I think it wants to wait for news. Broke structure on the 1 minute. No, I'm done. Down 2 trades. It's smart. It's smart. You were down 300 at first, right? Fuck. Stupid ads on YouTube, dog. Alright, news drops in 3 minutes. I'm not going to take a trade yet. I want to see news drop. Let's get it, Jam. Let's get it. I think we're waiting for the news drop. The way price is moving right now. We keep respecting this 5-minute order block and breaker block too. It's going to be different for all of us, guys. Some of us might have a good month, others might not. Some might be break even. Just keep doing what you're doing. Yeah, Zach, that's easy right there. You're good. What's one win? There's news. Holy shit. Alright, let's see what news wants. It's not news. Oh, it is news. Actually, going to forecast good for currency. Came out bullish. It came out bullish. Let's see if NASDAQ wants to take out these lows, dude, and form an S&T off of them. Remember, I said that in the beginning. I said that when we formed that 5-minute fair value gap. Let's see if we disrespect this 5-minute on ES. That'd make me want to go be bearish. But if we could form an S&T off of these lows and see ES continuing higher, then I'd like to take a trade on NQ. It's all good. If you're 800 away, just size down. Size down, build your confidence back. There's no rush to try and get your money back. Build your way back up. Size down, slowly build back up. What is this shit right now, though? Yeah, dude. Like Fox said, there's no rush. I don't get why people rush on these PA accounts when there's literally just treat it like a live account. People want to get that payout. They want to get it. We keep respecting this 5-minute order block and breaker block. As we came down, swept out these lows, broke structure to the upside. Previous down move and previous up move. But I want to see those lows get taken, dude. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see. No, I didn't say hey Siri. Alright. Alright. Let's see if we inverse this 5 minute on ES and break structure. Or can we form an SMT off of these lows? Let's see. Let's see. Will the theory be right or completely fucking wrong? Let's see. Oh, are we gonna dump? Are we gonna dumpy? Ah! Got this hourly fair value gap below. You're not gonna give me a trade today, are you, you fucker? Alright, NASDAQ came down, swept out Asian session lows. Or it's created an equal low there. It didn't even take it out yet. Come on. Yep. Damn. No trading for me today, I guess, guys. Both draws taken out. Fuck. See if it wants it. It's looking like it does. Oh. Wait a second. Wait a second. We formed an hourly low. Ooh. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Don't continue lower. Reverse. Reverse. Come on. I'm going to continue lower. We didn't form a 5-minute S&T. Gay. 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 This price action is gay. See if we want to react off of this area here. Really? Really? I don't even want that entry now, dude. That's not even worth it. don't want that entry, dog. There's no point in taking that entry now. Some stupid shit. I don't care about a 1-to-1, bro. I mean, I guess you could target the 50% level, but it's too fucking late now. Estoy stupid. Ugh. Is today another day of no trading? I've only traded one day this week. And it was a losing day. I'm sitting on my hands, guys. I'm going to give it 15 minutes. If we don't break structure to the upside in the 5 minute from here, after reacting off of an hourly fair value gap and 4 hour equilibrium, sweeping out Asian session lows and London session lows. That's all I want to look for. If I miss the opportunity with the shorts. Yeah. I know, Zach. It's all good, though. Don't let it piss you off. I know it's hard, but it's just freaking this price action lately. That's why I've been waiting for like an extra continuation confluence to get hit, because it's like I wanted to enter on that short position, but I just want that extra confirmation. I've been trying to be patient. Ugh. We'll see what this does here. We formed a 1 minute SMT off of these lows. Off of these. So, Let me see this. Like, fuck, dude. Hourly fair value gap reaction. If we take it from the 4-hour low to the 4-hour high, we're reacting off a 4-hour equilibrium. We're still bullish on the 4-hour. We didn't close underneath. Still got 4 hours left. Can we bottom tick this bitch? Let's see. We inverse that 1 minute fair value. Give me a retrace. Give me a retrace. Just do it. Give me a good entry. And I'll take it. And I'll take it. And I'll take it. Because what's stopping us if we inverse this fair value gap? What will be stopping us? If you don't give me a retracement here and you just continue up without me, headbutt the screen. Let's see if equilibrium aligns with this fair value gap. What would this trade be? Oh, that would be... Oof. Is it gonna give it to us, guys? Is it gonna give it? Ooh! This would have been nicer here. Please give me a retrace. Oh my God. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. It's gay. Rawr. 5-minute break of structure and a 5-minute inverse fair value gap. 5-minute inverse fair value gap on ES also. Dude, just give it to me. Please. Don't do this. Don't do this. I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be pissed. No. Oh my God. Oh my God. They're watching us, guys. They're watching us. Dirty dogs, man. Dirty dogs. This entry would have been nice off the inverse, but I wanted the frickin' retrace, dude. Oh. Oh. Please? Close under equilibrium. Close under equilibrium. Dip back in. Dip back in. Okay, 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 okay. Stiffy getting activated. Stiffy getting activated. .31 stop. Okay, I like. Please don't fucking close crazy, dude. Alright, I'm entering one position here. Because we're getting a fucking crazy candle closure. I entered one. Alright, I'm in. $41. I'll put it right here at 41. First TP's at that 15-minute high, so 48. Next one will be 52. All right, I like this. I like this. I like this right now. I'd like to see ES break structure to the upside also to be even more comfortable. But we broke structure on the 5-minute time frame on NASDAQ. I just don't want to retrace into this 5-minute down here. That's all I don't want to do. But I'd like for us to continue up here, get buying pressure. I'm going to hold all my positions. Taking 2 off here and 1 off here. That's what I'm going to do. Those are going to be my TPs. I'd like to see ES break structure to the upside and continue and try and come up to this 4-hour fair value gap. I like that reaction right here. I want to close above these highs and keep continuing higher. But yeah, I'm going to hold completely till we get up. Let's see if we have a 15-minute fair value gap. Anything in our way? No. I would like to see us continue higher here. I feel like this is a good trade. I entered 20 micro. That's the worst box. I hate doing that too. Dude, I entered 3 minis once on accident. It was terrible. All right, I'm liking this action. I'm liking this. I want to see us break structure on the 5-minute time frame. I don't want to. What high is this? This is that hourly high. Did we not take that out? No, this is an hourly high at 8 p.m. 9 p.m., 8 p.m., yeah, 8 p.m. I don't want to form an SMT off of that. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. Don't want to form an SMT off of that. I think this is a good trade. I think this is a good trade. I'm going to be confident in this trade. I want to be confident in this trade. I'm going to move my stop loss up to 43 underneath this low to reduce a little bit of risk. So if we come back down, we're probably going to come down. I'm going to move it right below this body. The wick right here. I like this. I like this. The only thing I don't want to see is an SMT form off of this high that could stop us, right? But on the 5-minute time frame, we have no 5-minute fair value gap blocking us. On the 15-minute time frame, we just have this huge wick, no 15-minute fair value gap blocking us. I think we can at least continue up to this 4-hour fair value gap, and that's why I think ES will continue up to this 4-hour fair value gap, right? Because this 4-hour fair value gap is at 6 a.m. And this is at 6 a.m. also. We didn't fill it yet. So I think ES has some room to run, and NASDAQ's going to come up to this too. And again, ES is the leading index in this case right now. If we break structure on the 5-minute, I'll be comfortable. But we're going to let this baby do its thing. We're up $130 per account right now. So we're up $1,300. But yeah. Formed a 1-minute bullish for a value gap here. I'd like us to tap. I don't want to inverse that. I don't want to inverse that. I'd like us to tap into that and continue this bullish market structure. I'd like ES to break structure on the 5-minute too. We're getting close to it, but we'll see. I think this is a good trade personally. We're coming into this 1-minute fair value gap. Let's see. Let's see. Don't want to inverse this. If we inverse this, I'm not liking it. I'd like to see a good reaction off of this fair value gap. 2.8. Yeah, still didn't take those highs yet. Come on, Papi Chulo. Give us what we want, please. All right, I'll be right back. Said I was gonna work on holding my runners too, guys, so we could secure one TP at a 1 to, what would this be? 1 to 1.29. We could take one off there if we really wanted to. Should we? I'm going to take one off there, actually, and we're going to let the other two run. Let's see if we could get that. Because then we'll secure some profits, and then we'll set break even here. This is where we'll set break even. We'll take one of my 3 micros off here, and then we'll set price to break even to manage good, and then we'll let the 2 run. That'll be the plan. I feel like that's a good overall way to manage my trade. All right, TP1 hit. I'm setting price to break even. Setting price to break even. Oops. Because again, I don't want to form an S&T off of these highs here. That's the only thing. But I'm going to let these 2 run, and we'll let it do its thing. I said I'd work on that, so I got to stick to my plan. I'm up 3K. Yeah, no B. All right, let's see how price wants to react off of this high. I'd like us to push through. We're at break even now, so no risk. We gotta let her do its thing. Ugh, watered down coffee tastes like booty cheeks. We could get a little displacement off of this, but if we inverse this 1 minute bearish fair value gap, I believe we're going to come all the way up to our take profit. But again, we have this one, and now we just formed a new bullish fair value gap underneath too. So I'm going to be honest with you guys. Remember, I put my stop loss a little bit lower. It's at 44, this first one. It's at 44. And then the other one's at 55. Still a 55-point trade right now. And the other one's at, what, 51. 51. 51. Come on. Don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty. We want to hold this baby. Keep sticking with bullish order flow. Come on. Come on. And of all this up movement, there's no way a 1 minute fucking bearish fair value gap is going to stop us. Peace out, Nobi. Come on. Oh, yeah. It's just a retrace. Come on. I want to see a candle up here. I want to see us come up and inverse this 1 minute fair value gap. That's what I want to see. I'm going to keep an eye on this 5 minute too. I want to see if we form that 5 minute S&T. But again, I'm trying to work on holding my trades, guys. It's something that I've been trying to work on a lot lately. So again, I want to hold these last two runners. There was no retrace on that move. On what move? The trade we took? There was a 1 minute retrace into two fair value gaps and 1 minute equilibrium. Right here. Come on, price action. Yeah, 1 minute bearish fair value gap. That's the only thing stopping this trade right now. And a 5 minute S&T if we form a 5 minute S&T off these highs. Oh. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Are you serious? The time when we hold this? Oh my God. The 5 minute bullish for a value gap. Let's see. My stop loss is a little bit above break even, guys, like this low. Come on. A 1 minute bearish fair value gap is going to stop us? Really? What time is it? 10:42? Let's go. No fucking way, dude. No fucking way. Dude, we were up to 300 per account, I think, or something like that at one point. We're up 3K. We formed that 5 minute S&T. Fuck. I'm holding. That's crazy. That's a crazy. I'm holding. I have to. I said I'd work on it. It's either we get stopped at break even. We still made money, but it's not a lot. But we've got $60 locked in. But I'm holding. Because I think this is a good trade. I think this is a good freaking trade. I really think it is. Even regardless, this trade ended up hitting 55 points. So, Macro gonna pump us. I got stopped at trailing end of the day, $50. There you go. So you got your money back, Zach? That's how you do it. It's a dog. Good shit. I know, but one loss, one break even, one win. I mean, I don't know. You probably controlled your emotions pretty well, Zach. Please inverse this 1 minute. If we inverse this 1 minute right now, dude, because we already filled that other one. Shush. But I can't get too cocky yet. Trade has not played out. But we said we're going to work on holding trades. We got to stick to our word. I don't like that. We got to stick to our word. If ES comes up and takes these highs, I'll take another contract size off, but... There you go. Let's see what we want to do here, box. This is going to make us or break us right here. Make us or break us. I want to inverse this 1 minute. Where's Wing Wong at? Wing Wong, did you take this trade? Don't respect it. You know it. You know. It's a good trade. I think it was there. Can you close above that for me? Solid close. Stop it. Stop it. I don't care what anybody says, dude. You can say whatever you want about being emotional and shit, but this is the hardest part. Is just fucking doing this shit right here. And this is the part you can't teach. So... Stop fucking with me. Stop it. Should I bring out the taser? Should I tase my computer? Maybe that'll like jumpstart something. Should I bring out the gun? Here. Go up. Yeah, Box, you gotta learn how to trust your freaking bias. Trust your trade. Trust yourself. And fucking let the trade play out. Me and Zach had a conversation about this. It's like, dude, the amount of times where I've taken profits early just because of looking at my P&L and I could have made more money is like... That's the hard part to teach. But again, this is what sucks because you're focused on the P&L right now. Because look, we're up freaking $2,300 right now. But again, I could take my profits and be done for the day. But I just think it just looks good. It looks good. We already filled this 1 minute fair value gap. Like, macro's about to open up, like Jack said. Like, this has to, come on. Like, this has to do its thing. We're bullish on the 5 minute. We're probably bullish on the 15 minute. We're bullish on the hourly. We have a 4 hour fair value gap above that we need to fill on ES and NASDAQ. We haven't even filled that up yet. And we have these highs. Like, what could we be targeting? Are we going to fucking react off of a fucking 1 minute fair value gap right now? Is that what's really going to stop us? Maybe. Oh, God. Up and down and up and down and up and down. What is that? What is that? Oh! That just fucking... Really? Really? Please be a stop raid. Please be a stop raid. Oh my God. What kind of candle closure was, or candle was that? Maybe because the new macro opened up? Oh, fuck. The one time we let it run. The one time we let it run. Oof. 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 I don't know about you guys, but I'm literally sweating my ass off. Stop. Stop. I'll be proud of myself if this hits and I held the whole time. I have to shit so bad. I think I lost 5 pounds. Insane. If this is how I should have cut weight for wrestling, guys. I put a fucking trash bag on, let a trade run. Can we this 1 minute fair value gap? It just doesn't like me. It really just doesn't like me. Like, why couldn't we got that move to the upside? Like, look at this candle. This is a 25-point candle. We couldn't have got that from here, right? But no. I have zero worries. That's not the root word. Yeah, no. See, this is my biggest problem in trading is freaking, and I'm honest with you guys, is holding trades. It's my biggest problem. And trusting my bias. And if you guys are fucking real traders, you know the fucking feeling. All I see is beauty right now. Just trust Trav. Box is making me go to my Zen. I'm going to my Wing Wang Zen. Like, what could possibly be stopping us right now? Look at this. Look at this 5-minute candle closure, though. It's looking good. This is the gayest shit I've ever seen. Aneurysm, heart attack, stroke, diarrhea in the pants, all of them, same time. All because of a 1 minute fair value gap. All because of a 1 minute fair value gap. That doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense at all. Now we inverse another 1 minute to the downside. Yeah, at least we took one profit, right? This just looks so good. We have to target some sort of buy side liquidity for fucking NASDAQ. We have to. Unless just this SMT freaking rapes us. But again, this is an hourly high and we haven't already displaced lower yet and broke structure to the downside. Like, thank you, Zach. It's just fucking with me, dude. I'm trying my best right now. At least I'm fucking honest with you guys. So fuck that hater on YouTube telling me I am fucking real shit. I'm trying not to focus on my P&L right now. I really am. Did we inverse this 1 minute again? It doesn't even matter. We've inversed so many 1 minutes to the upside, to the downside, to the upside, to the downside. I don't even want to pay attention to the fucking lower time frame right now. Alright, let's test it again. Let's see if this is the time. Is this the time it fucking skyrockets through this, or are we just gonna fucking retrace again off of it? Let's see, guys. Old me would take a profit right now and say, alright, I don't want to be... We're oh. Wing Wong, we need to get you in lingerie or something to make the market go up. Put you in one of those Catwoman suits. The leather ones. Oh, fuck. We're trusting, Zach. We're trusting. Imagine dealing with 100K on like a trade right now. Trust in Wing Wong's cat suit. I'm trusting in your cat suit, Wing Wong. We're currently up $2,600 right now. I will show you the world. I will show you my ball sack. I'm gonna kill you if you retrace. If this hit's gonna be your best trade in a minute, I feel like. Yeah, this was textbook, bro. I trailed too fast, but it's all good. Yeah, I agree, Zach. If I hold, part of me just wants to take a partial right now, but I'm not gonna. You know what I'm saying? I can't. I know. We're working. See, we grow every day. I know there's only 3 of you watching, or 4 counting my girlfriend. Love you, girlfriend. But, yeah, we got to work on these things live. Still solid trading today, Zach, though. You did. You controlled your emotions really well. Yeah, I know. The market's been fucking with you with stopping you out right away. I'll be honest. I feel bad with that. Whoa. Yo, if ES takes this high, I'm taking a contract size off. Okay? Got it. I might shoot my screen. Something I do, guys, is I go back before bed and I watch my live streams on YouTube. I'm going to make fun of myself after this one. I always laugh at when I'm tweaking out in the middle of a trade. Call myself a bitch. You bitch. Alright, we inversed it. We did inverse, indeed. We did inverse, indeed. Can you do me a solid and, you know, just go up like this, like that, you know? Yeah, I'm going to trail my stop below the most recent lows, which is right here. This is where my stop loss is. This is where my stop loss is, right here. We need to get like those light things, what they do at the airport. Yep, diarrhea, hemorrhoid, vomiting, Shakespeare. Ow! That hurts my ears with the fucking headphones. Holy shit. Fuck. I think I just gave myself a heart attack. Fuck. What are you doing to me? What could possibly be stopping us now? Go up. Go up, please. Please, sir. Go up. Be very kind to you. Just wait patiently like a good girl. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait patiently like a good girl, like Wing Wong. You ever seen that movie in the Longest Yard? And it's like where he's about to kick the kick and the onside kick, and he's like, "Please God, if I do a good kick here, I promise I'll stop sleeping with with men or something like that. You know what I'm talking about? What is that scene? Oh, go take it, take it. We're one tick away. Don't you dare edge me now. I'm putting it at this candle's high, guys, at 40, right here. 44. Come on. That's going to be my full TP. Right here. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Are we in a 15-minute fair value gap? I'm fucking eating. Ah! Guys. Guys. Should I take one now? You gotta be kidding me. This is one of the longest trades. It's just been, how long is this trade? 40-minute trade. Guys, call me a bitch. I'm going to take one here. Okay? I took one. Okay? I took one. Call me a bitch. I don't care. I took it. I'm managing risk. I still have a runner! You bastards. You guys are evil. Here, fine. You want to call me a bitch? This is where we're going to leave the last runner to. Right here. Alright? Fuck around and find out. Yeah. Fuck around and find out. Yeah, we're at 300 per account right now, I think. 270. 270. We would be at 300 if we had the other runner. Well, how many points is it? Still a 58 point. My stop loss is moved to 303. 503. This was the most miserable trade on the universe of the planet. Oh my god. 27 was my one stop. Right here. This has to be the one. This has to be the push. This is either going to be the Diddy candle to the downside or to the upside. Did he candle to the upside? Did he candle to the downside? Okay, cool. Fuck you! Ass! Fuck! Hit my trailing. Fuck! Whatever. Whatever. You're gay! 202 per account. Bitch. Bitch hole. Alright. We'll take it. We held it. We worked on our emotions. We made $2,000. It's whatever. Now it's going to come hit our stop loss. Gay. Still a 53-point trade with our stop loss we had. Yeah. That was stupid. All of that to get edged. Boo. Alright. It's all good. We held the trade. We worked on what we needed to work on. We still banked 205 per account, so it is what it is. We made our money back from our loss. How much are we up on the week now? Let's see. We're up $46 in the week. Damn. All good. All right. Yeah, I'm going to go commit suicide. No, I'm just kidding. Let's put this in the wins and losses chat. Who took that trade? Thanks, Box and Wingwong and Zach waiting too. You guys are the real ones that actually freaking want to be involved with this Discord. Wow. Okay. That's why we trail our stop. Last runner got stopped at the red line. Wanted it to run to those highs. Made 200 per account. Sweet. All right, guys. Yeah. This is what we wanted the trade to look like. We came. How many points? 8 points away from our final stop loss. So TP1 was here, TP2 was here, and then we got stopped out at this red line. We'll make it. Okay, yeah, right there. Okay. Yeah, I still think it's going to run there. Just wanted to do another retracement. But we still hit a 52-point trade based of our second TP. Total would have been a 73-point. But even on our stop loss, we hit 28 points, which was almost a 1-to-1, but it's okay. This was almost a 1-to-1 where we got our trailing stopped at. First TP was a 1 to 1.1. second TP was a 1 to 6. Yeah, I wanted that runner to run. I'm not upset with it. We wanted that 1 to 2. Even if we took it here, it would have been a 1 to 2. But it's okay. It's okay. All right, guys. Good trade. Thank you guys for watching. Sucks we got stopped out at break even. I still think Price is going to come do it. But, again, we got stop rated. I think we did the smart thing. Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right. We got one more day tomorrow. What's news tomorrow? All right. All news is at 8:30. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. See if we can get a setup. Only took 2 trades this week. So, yeah. Price is going to continue to do its damn thing also. You bastards. Nah, I wanted the stop loss below these lows. We would have gotten stopped anyway. I wouldn't have kept it here. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I wouldn't have. Even these lows. Maybe. Nah. I think we did the right thing. Yep, we have NFP at 8:30. So, we shall see. Look at this shit, guys. Look at this shit. Poop. All right. Peace out, guys.